Otto here from London Car Alarm Company. We've just come out to fit another Halo Mini on a 2024 micro hybrid BMW X5. So how the system works is basically, as soon as someone jumps in the vehicle, they do a relay attack on it and try and start it. This is what happens. Let's be able to start the vehicle. The vehicle will start, but as soon as I try and put it into gear, it just won't allow me to put it into gear. So every time the customer jumps in the vehicle, basically start the vehicle up, insert a basic code which we're going to change after the video. So we've just done 2 of these and 2 of these, and then we're going to get an internal flash on the full beam. So just watch carefully. There's our full beam flash. Select a gear, goes into drive and drive away. If the customer turns off the start button, as soon as they open the door, if you watch in the corner, there's our full beam flash. The system is now armed. If the customer wants to place it in value mode, it's really simple. Characteristics of the new BMs: tap the start button 3 times within 7 seconds without your foot on the brake to get the ignition on. And then insert the code and hold on the last press. So tap, 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 hold. There's our full beam disarm. Just keep holding for about 20 seconds. We'll get a 5 flash handshake. And it will go into value mode. It's not speed or distance dependent, and it will come out of value mode. There you go, there's our 5 flashes. So if I now turn it off, open the door, system won't arm, start the vehicle up. Vehicle starts, place it into gear, no problem at all. When we get the vehicle back, to take it out of value mode again, without your foot on the brake, tap, 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 to get the main ignition on the BMW, insert the code and hold on the last press. Notice we never get a flash because it's covert, because it's in value mode. If I keep on holding, watch carefully, we'll get the visual handshake to say it's coming out of value mode. There you go. Turn off the start button, open the door, system's armed, start the vehicle up just to test it. Try to place it into gear, it just won't go into gear. Foot on the brake, insert the code. There's our flash, drive away. Also, we have got other videos on how to change the code, but obviously you can just look on our YouTube channel. My name's Otto, company's called London Car Alarm Company. Give us a call. Thank you, bye-bye.